The concept of lac operon was proposed by Jacob and Monod, the two scientists, while they are working in E. coli bacteria in Pasteur Institute in Paris. Here, lac operon means if the E. coli bacteria reared in a lactose medium, such an operon is called a lac operon. If the bacteria is reared in a tryptophan, such an operon is called tryptophan operon. Like that, there are so many names are given for the operon. Next, the concept of lac operon was given by Jacob and Monod in 1961. This idea can explain the gene regulation in prokaryotes like E. coli bacteria. This concept was developed while they are working in lactose medium in E. coli bacteria. The lac operon shows two regulations. They are positive regulation or switch off condition and negative regulation or switch on condition. When you see the lac operon shows four important types of genes. One is regulator gene, next one is promoter gene, operator gene, and structural genes. These structural genes shows LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A. The regulator gene is also called repressor gene. This regulator gene produces a protein called repressor, which is able to bind to the operator and blocks the function of RNA polymerase. It prevents the expression of structural genes. That means in switch off condition, it will be regulated. The promoter gene, this is the site for the attachment of RNA polymerase. It moves along the operator region and structural genes. It is lodged in between regulator and operator genes. The operator gene, the gene has been mapped in between the promoter and structural genes. It can transcribe mRNA. This is the target for the attachment of tetrameric repressor protein produced by a regulator gene in switch off condition. The structural genes, the lac operon shows three structural genes, namely LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A. LAC-Z, this is able to produce beta galactosidase, which is able to convert the lactose into glucose and galactose. LAC-Y, this produces a permease capable of allowing the lactose, one type of glucose into bacteria. Last one is the LAC-A. LAC-A, this is also a part of structural gene. This produces an enzyme called trans-acetylase, which is able to transfer acetyl-CoA to beta-galactosidase. Here, whenever these structural genes are not expressed, this lactose medium accumulates in the cell. This lactose combines with the repressor and causes a structural change, allosteric change, and produces a compound called the regulator and regulator and inducer complex. Here, the lactose acts as a inducer. This inducer combines with the regulator, forms into RI component. RI component means regulator and inducer component. This the regulator and inducer component is able to cause structural changes in the repressor gene, which is unable to attaches to the operator gene. thereby the structural genes are transcribed, LAC-A, LAC-Z, and LAC-Y. These are the structural genes LAC-Z, LAC-Y, LAC-A. These three genes are expressed and are able to produce their consequent enzymes. These enzymes are able to convert the different components. That's why this is acts as a fan. When you switch on the fan, it can regulate. When switch off the fan, it does not regulate, does not work. That is switch off condition and switch on condition. Thank you, one and all.